Meaning of deem.
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 Deem. The word deem means to consider, judge, or regard something in a specific way. It suggests a subjective evaluation of something based on personal beliefs or perceptions. When someone uses the word deem, they are often expressing their own opinion or conclusion about a particular matter. For example, a teacher might deem a student's essay as excellent, indicating that they hold a positive view of the quality of the essay. The word deem is often used in legal, academic, and literary contexts to express an authoritative and deliberate assessment of something.